In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a school zone ticket online. We'll be using the K platform, and I'll walk you through the process from the main website all the way to the payment page. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to read each page carefully so you don't miss any required details. To begin, open the website in your browser. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to get familiar with the home page and the top navigation menu. This is where you'll find the option you need to start the payment process. From the top menu, click on Pay My Fine. This will take you to the section for settling violations through the official online channels. On the next page, look for the area that says Pay Your Violation through Authorized Channels. This confirms that you're in the correct section for making a payment safely and properly. Next, select your preferred payment method. Choose the option that works best for you, and then click Proceed to Payment. At this point, the system will ask you to identify the vehicle connected to the violation, so make sure you have the necessary vehicle details ready before continuing. Enter your plate number in the appropriate field. After that, type in the MV file number exactly as shown on your vehicle records or documents. Accuracy matters here, so double check both entries before moving on. Once everything looks correct, click Check Pay My Fine. The website will then show a Before You Proceed section. Read this information carefully since it may include reminders, conditions, or important notes related to your violation and payment. After reviewing it, agree to the terms and conditions by selecting the checkbox or required confirmation. Once that's done, click Check for Violations. The platform will search for any matching records based on the details you entered. If there is an existing school zone ticket violation, it will appear in the Results section. Review the information shown on screen carefully to make sure it matches your vehicle and violation details. If everything is correct, go ahead and proceed to payment. Follow the prompts shown on the payment page to complete the transaction using the payment method you selected earlier. As a final tip, before submitting any payment, make sure all details are accurate and keep a copy of your confirmation or receipt for your records. That way, if you ever need proof of payment later, you'll have it ready. And that's how to pay a school zone ticket online using the K platform.